The happy elephant. The happy elephant, big and gray, dances in the sunshine every day. With a trumpet sound and a swing of fun, he plays with friends beneath the bright warm sun. He stomps his feet and swings his ears, a joyful sight that brings happy cheers. His trunk curls up in a happy grin. The happy elephant, a joyful friend within.